start, just some pre-installation here. So if you're looking at the earphone, you can see that there is a slot and a slot. There's also some little teeth around the edge here on the inside. You can feel them. Use your nail, etc. These are the clips that are going to hold the ear pad on. You have these two plastic pieces, one there and one there. Those are going to align with these two slots. And once you align those two with those two slots, the ear pad obviously is bigger at the top, smaller at the bottom, so it will fit properly. Once you align those two, all you do is basically go around and push down on the ear pad so that these little clips, or these little plastic clips, will fit under these other clips over here around the inside of the earphone. Okay, removing the ear pads. All you're going to do is grip the ear pad with your fingers and grip the back, holding onto the earphone casing like this, and you just pull like that. And you can do that for both. There you go. Okay, attaching the ear pads. So we're looking on the back, and you can see that there is two clips here, and one there and one there. There's also an inside plastic frame with some little plastic clips there as well. These two clips align with these two slots, one there and one right there on the earphone. And then the other clips on the inside of here, they go around the inside of the earphone, and there's little teeth and clips, or whatever you want to call them, that you can feel, and they snap into place there. Now, the ear pads are exactly the same, so it doesn't matter which side they go on, they're going to fit as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to align this clip right here. Well, actually, the ear pad is big on top and small on bottom, so that's how you're going to align the ear pads. Basically, I'm just going to do this. I'm going to align this clip here, with this clip right here, with this slot right here, and I'm just going to fold it over, and that should have the other one aligned, and you're just going to push down. Now, important to know that when you're pushing down, you want to push down on the plastic housing. So if I'm here, I'm going to push down like here, here. I'm not pushing down on any buttons, or I'm not hitting any of these buttons, because if you push down hard like this for any length of time, you can break the headphones. At least the connections and stuff like that. The other side, there's nothing on here, so well, there's the Bluetooth, so watch that one too. But yeah, there's less on here, so you're able to do it easier. Alright, do the same thing here. I'm going to line this clip with this little slot and fold it over, and then once you're done, you just go around and check and see that there's no gap here. So that looks pretty good. That looks good. That one looks good as well. Yeah. That's it. All done.
Monty says, test your headphones now. Scan the QR code or use the link to sign up and test your headphones.